Many of you have been asking for this pattern. In this video I'm going to show you how you can crochet this super easy crochet scarf. This is beginner friendly, so let's start. For this project I'm using this 2-ply 100% acrylic yarn. You can choose any yarn of your choice as per your style, and I'm using 5mm crochet hook. So we'll be starting making this foundation stitch, which is the longer part of your scarf, and we'll keep drawing the rows accordingly as per the width. Roll the yarn around your fingers like this to make a slip knot. Now wrap the yarn like this and make a chain. Now make 2 more chains. Make the chain stitches as per your length. Don't make it too tight and too loose. Mine is about this much long, but yours can be shorter or longer as per your design. Once you're happy with the length, we'll work on first row. Chain 1, skip the very first chain, insert your hook into the second chain and make single crochet. And make single crochet. Continue making single crochet all the way to the end of this row. Don't make it too tight or too loose. It will look like this. Single crochet for the foundation stitch, and now chain 2 for the second row. Leave these 2 chains, turn your work and wrap the yarn and leave these 2 stitches and insert your hook in the very first stitch from back loop and make double crochet. Insert your hook in the back loop and make double crochet. From this row we'll start building the pattern. Just keep repeating double crochet from the back loop. Now make double crochet all the way to the end. Once you reach to the end, just make sure you make the last double crochet in both the loops. So it will give you extra strength. It won't stretch out much. Now for the third row, chain 2, turn your work, leave these 2 stitches. In the end, just make sure you make double crochet in both the loops. Just insert your hook in these 2 loops and make double crochet. I have made 11 double crochet row. Insert your hook in the both loops and make double crochet. Chain 1 and turn your work. Make single crochet from back loop in the very first stitch. Repeat the single crochet all over the row. So this will be the last stitch. Just make sure you make last single crochet into both the loops like this. Now we are done. So we have 2 single crochet row in the both sides, and these are the double crochet rows. I have made 11. You can choose according to the width you want. I'll be adding some extra fringes in the ends. You can leave it as it is as per your style. For the fringes, just take the same yarn, or you can choose other colors as well to make it little contrast. I'm using the same color, and you just have to measure it how long you want the fringes. I just want this much long. Insert your hook into the last stitch where you can find some space and pull the yarn like this. Just make sure it should be equal.